Hello everyone, my name is Shivanti Jones and this is Unit 6 presentation for GRC 605, Conducting a Simple Regression. The agenda for today is we will start off with an explanation of what linear regression is. We will then look at the three linear regression tests and their explanations, then move on to key takeaways and then end with questions. Linear regression is a statistical method that summarizes and studies relationships between two continuous variables. One variable is regarded as a predictor, explanatory, or independent variable. The other variable is regarded as the response, outcome, or dependent variable. The first hypothesis test is conducted between debt and income. The dependent variable is debt, the independent variable is income. The following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis is the regression coefficient is 0. The alternate hypothesis is the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict an individual's debt by knowing their income. No significant regression was found in this test. The beta was equals to negative 0.05, r squared was equals to 0.00, and p was equal to 0.535, which was well above the significant level of 0.05. The second hypothesis test was between savings and income. The dependent variable is savings and the independent variable is income. The following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis is the regression coefficient is 0. The alternate hypothesis is the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict an individual's savings by knowing their income. A statistically significant regression emerged with beta being negative 0.91, r squared is 0.82, and p is equal to 0.000, which meets a significant level below a 0.05. Thus, the test rejected the null hypothesis and predicted savings. Savings is predicted to increase as income increases. Further, the 95% confidence interval is between 0.09 and 0.11 and does not contain a zero, hence lending support to the prediction. The third hypothesis test is conducted between stocks and savings. The dependent variable is stocks and the independent variable is savings. The following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis is the regression coefficient is 0. The alternate hypothesis is the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict an individual's portfolio of stocks by knowing their savings. A statistically significant regression emerged with the beta being negative 0.28, r squared was 0.08, and p was 0.000, which is below the statistically significant level of 0.05. Thus, the test rejected the null hypothesis and predicted stocks. Stocks is predicted to increase as savings increases. Further, the 95% confidence interval is between 0.07 and 0.25 and does not contain zero, hence lending support to the prediction. The key takeaways from this presentation is PSPP is an analytic tool that is used to conduct regression tests to analyze data sets. It is a quick decision-making tool. The independent variable predicts the dependent variable. That brings us to the end of my presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for listening and have a good day.